Hello, it's me again. This is Amber99SB-star-ILDN protein with water, and the purple is water in the simulation, which manifests around the protein and stuff. But it's another protein folding simulation, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to music now. And have a good day, and see you. Goodbye.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me.